Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make puff puff using just 3 ingredients: yogurt, self-raising flour, and sugar. Please check the description for the exact measurements. As we celebrate Christmas, the season of love, let's reflect on the true essence of genuine love. It's disheartening to observe that when people no longer benefit from a relationship, they often withdraw and show less care. As children of God, we're called to love others unconditionally, just as Christ loves the church. I'm not claiming to be perfect, but let's strive to be kind with our words and actions. Many are silently enduring hardships they're unwilling to share. Be the light in someone's life. Remember, we cannot profess to love God if we don't love the people around us. As the Bible says, "My command is this: love each other as I have loved you." This Christmas, let's focus on kindness rather than consumption. Teach others that their value lies in who they are, not in what they own. Wishing you all a Merry Christmas filled with love, kindness, and genuine connections. Alright guys, here's what you need for this recipe. 4 cups of self-rising flour, plain whole yogurt, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of freshly ground nutmeg for that cozy, festive flavor. And if you don't have self-rising flour, no problem. You can make your own. Just mix 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 2-cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Easy peasy. So start by mixing all your dry ingredients together in a big bowl. That means flour, sugar, and nutmeg. Mix it up real good to get that perfect puff texture. Next, add your yogurt to the dry mix. Pro tip: no need for water in this recipe. The yogurt gives all the moisture you need and adds a tangy flavor that makes these puffs irresistible. Mix it all up until you have a nice, thick batter. Quick and easy, you'll be ready to fry in a jiffy. Heat up some oil on medium heat. You want it hot enough to cook the puff but not so hot it burns. Test it out by dropping in a bit of batter. If it sizzles and rises, you're good to go. Using a spoon or your hands, scoop the batter into the oil in small bits. Fry them up until they're golden brown and crispy on the outside. Flip them around to cook evenly, and there you have it. Gorgeous, fluffy puffs made with just a few ingredients. Golden, crispy on the outside, and soft on the inside. These are so delicious and smell amazing. Give this recipe a shot, and tell me in the comments how yours turned out. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and easy recipes. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.